In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your TradingView full screen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your TradingView chart into full screen using a keyboard shortcut, the on-screen maximize icon, and your browser's full screen mode, so you can focus on the chart without distractions. First, use the TradingView keyboard shortcut. With your chart open, press Shift plus F on your keyboard. Watch the chart immediately expand to fill the TradingView workspace. Side panels and extra interface elements collapse so the chart takes center stage. This view is ideal when you need more space for candles, indicators, or drawing tools. Nothing about your layout, drawings, or alerts is changed. This only affects how the chart is displayed on your screen. Next, use the menu icon in the chart pane. Yes, move your cursor to the top right corner of the chart pane. Here, click the maximize or full screen icon, which looks like two diagonal arrows. As soon as you click, the chart switches into full screen view within TradingView. This gives you the same distraction-free workspace without using a keyboard shortcut. If you prefer clicking on-screen controls, this method is quick and reliable. Again, this display change does not modify your chart settings, symbols, or indicators, only the viewing area. Now, use your browser's full screen mode for a completely immersive view. Press F11 on your keyboard to toggle the browser's full screen mode, which hides the address bar and top tabs. You'll see TradingView occupy the entire display, giving you maximum vertical space for price action and indicators. This is especially useful on smaller monitors or laptops where every pixel counts. Your chart remains fully interactive, and all your TradingView tools continue to work as usual. At this point, you've seen 3 precise ways to make your TradingView full screen. The keyboard shortcut Shift plus F is the fastest way inside the app when you like working from the keyboard. The on-screen maximize icon in the top right corner of the chart pane is perfect if you prefer clicking. And the browser option with F11 removes the browser's Chrome so the chart can use your whole screen. Choose the method that best fits how you work and use it whenever you need a cleaner, larger charting view. As you follow along on screen, you'll notice each method changes only the presentation, not the data. Your watch lists, drawings, and indicators remain exactly as they are. If you're recording, streaming, or simply analyzing, these full-screen options keep your focus on price and indicators without altering your setup. That's all you need to make your TradingView full screen. Your chart is now expanded and ready for focused analysis, using the method you prefer. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.